Group discussion.
Help students develop confidence, sharpen critical thinking, improve communication skills, and understand diverse perspectives. Students of Class 11th Section A presented their arguments on the topic. Academic excellence is the necessity of career.
My name is Shan and I am presenting to you from my side of group. And we are all in the favor of the topic that academic excellence is a necessity of career. Now I would like to call one of my group members to start the topic.
All of us are registered to school after we reach a certain age limit because it is very important to educate a child from childhood. Our parents also tries to educate us in a private school and higher schools because in their childhood they were aloof from advanced education, so they know the importance of advanced education.
Good morning, I am Arman Saifi from class 11A. Today we are standing before you to represent our view in the against of the topic academic excellence is the necessity of career. So I strongly disagree the topic because just remember once Steve Jobs said, your marks don't define you, but your passion, determination and the way of doing work define you. I repeat, your marks don't define you, but your passion, determination and the way of doing work defines you. This is the statement because there are many famous persons who have succeeded in life without much good in academics, just like Steve Jobs himself. He dropped out of college and started a company and now owns a $1 trillion company known as Apple. So how can anyone say that academic excellence is a necessity?
I agree with you. What do you think after starting this company and whatever he built, would he be able, if you don't have talented and highly elevated employees or workers with him, would he be able to build a $1 trillion company without those people, those minded and talented people and highly educated people who have succeeded in their academic excellence?
Yes, he does, because when he was nothing, he had never been to school, he was very poor. That was the time only when he has built that $1 trillion company known as Apple. And at that time, he do not have funds to hire the so-called educated people.
But good education, high grades and deep knowledge are key to success. They build confidence, open opportunity and shape a professional future.
Are innumerable that are based on passion, not on academics. Academic excellence may be valuable, but many times a person's strong determinations and experiences are the key to get success. Many famous individuals, for example Richard Branson, he left his school at the age of 16 and started a vast business, and demonstrating that academic excellence is not a necessity for a successful career.
Academic excellence is not beneficial but essential in present time of the era of competitive exams is high at day by day. So I agree that academic excellence is providing skills and it is also clearing competitive exams. There is strong base of learning concepts, critical thinking and academic excellence is not easy. It requires time, focus, management and discipline, which is also in companies requires.
Not only the path to success. Combination of academic knowledge, life passion, creativity helps to achieve your personal achievements, and the academic teaches you how to lead and thrive, not to feed your life problems.
How would have famous and legendary personality like Thomas Alva Edison, Nikola Tesla and Robert Oppenheimer, what they did without academic excellence.
Academic excellence is not the only requirement for a successful career. Success is an achievement. And it also builds a strong foundation of knowledge. Builds a strong foundation of knowledge in any subject. It helps the students to understand the key points and which is essential in many professional careers like engineering, doctoring, data research, etc.
We are talking about many famous personalities like Cristiano Ronaldo, Dhirubhai Ambani and Tata etc. They are the exceptional case, but not for the vast majority. There are the millions of the people who struggle in their life because of lack of academic excellence.
By just solving the equation numericals and theoretical knowledge you have, what do you think you will easily solve the real life problem which you can't decide at what point what problem can arise. How could you solve it with your theoretical knowledge?
I will tell you about theoretical knowledge. What do you think Howard Einstein was given the theory of relativity which has created the whole world? Like the whole world now exists on just one simple screen, and not it's not just one. There are many theories which are given, and the fundas and many equations which have been given by scientists which have built the world today what it is. How have they been given these type of foundations and equations if they did not study academic excellence?
Are many scientists. For an instance, let me talk about Sir Thomas Edison. Sir Thomas Edison has given us a lot of things like the electric bulbs we were using, phonography, and a lot more. Michael Faraday. Sir Michael Faraday has given us Faraday cage. He have given us electrolysis and a lot more. These few examples shows us that even in success, even in having success in science, it is not linked with that so-called academic excellence.
They have academic excellence. How can you say that they don't have academic excellence?
Because they people have never been to school, they were not having any formal education. That is the whole point.
School and academic and formal education doesn't mean academic excellence. Academic excellence means being excellent in academics.
And that is high marks, having degrees, being good is actually.
To become a successful career, then all the toppers should be rich and happy at this time, but that's not true. Life needs courage, hard work, smart work, and confidence to do to help to achieve many things. So just find out ourselves. In multiple cases like beyond diligence, like practical skills, emotional intelligence, academic excellence is a tool, not the goal. Foundation, not the end.
Excellence is not just beneficial but initial. It creates their future and make financially strong. It brings power and respect in society.
Overemphasis on marks can harm mental health and reduce motivation, even leading a failure instead of success. After all, our career is not a race to the top of the class. It is a journey to the top of your potential.
I highly against the point is academic excellence is not necessary for the future life. But the problem is that most of the poor and middle class people family are not capable to support talent person because is financially weak. So the academic excellence is the one path to key of success to provide a highly ranked job and respect in society.
Academic excellence often means scoring high marks. Because of high marks, many students have mental stress, anxiety, depression. This is not helpful for our health.
Stress, anxiety and pressure are created by those and created on those who don't focus on their work, don't complete their work on time, don't do their jobs on time. I just have to say this.
Skill depends make successful. Suppose you go for an interview and interviewer asks your introduction. Your communication skill depends to do a better job and get a better job opportunities.
Says that skill is necessary. Yes, it is necessary when we have to do something out of academics, something extra. Basically the most basic thing is to create a base for our skill which can be done by academic excellence.
Academic excellence gives success, then why all toppers are not billionaires? Just tell me.
1.2% of the IITians are unicorn founders.
No, I don't know. I am focusing on my skills.
No, you don't.
I am not doing that.
Just tell me the answer. 81.2% IITians are now unicorn founders.